DJI. Guys, so I'm currently on the way to Dover right now. Yesterday I just collected my DJI goggle V2 and Yet just helped me with my KISS build last night, so shout out to Dji Fpv for helping me out. And now I'm just gonna go to Dover and Maiden my first KISS build. Let's go! Dan, what's up?
Abang Sacok sampai
Abang Sacok.
How are you, brother?
Yeah, this is Dan.
Yes,
Darkstar, Mr. Darkstar.
Only Dan,
Yes.
my Darkstar.
He hooked me up with my DJI V2 yesterday, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
Woo! Bro! Woo!
What's up?
This is Yet, and he helped me with the build last night.
Wow.
Alright.
Until 6 a.m. Wow.
Wow.
How are you? Kidding, salute you.
The very nice handle.
Welcome to Tango 2.
Oh, the
Beautiful, yeah?
the
Maybe I want to buy.
crown jewel lah.
Yeah. Nice, eh?
More smooth not if you pinch right?
Yeah,
I think better use this.
Oh, like show
Yeah.
Let's buy it together.
Yeah.
Yesterday I placed order for TVS this morning.
Never mind, we can order again. Maiden fly, let's go. That's whether you can fly correct. Oh, very sharp. I hit the tree a bit.
Nice, right?
Yeah, wow, okay leh.
You make the screen smaller.
Yes.
Now I know how to buy the
No lah, mine is like one stick only leh. Wow, the sound difference, yeah. Difference, yeah. Quite smooth, eh? Just the stop it. The 2-3 standalone tree. This one is Yet, yeah. Yet is so good. How can I be this one?
Then use this
Move, man. Wow, bro. Bro, it's so nice. It's amazing. It's like lock, yeah.
Please also ask me order the
Okay, no battery already. Coming back to landing, yeah. Yeah, boys. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Maiden, yeah. Awesome.
Kiss.
Oh yes, got record, yeah. Yeah. All right. See the motors. Oh, motors not hot. Beautiful. Good. Check out the kiss build. Oh. Woo. Oh yeah. Ah, TPU by Gary Fpv. Yes. Shout out to Gary Fpv. Sick TPU. Check this out. Yo, Kuya Ryan.
Hey, what's up,
Say
man?
hi to my channel,
Hi, Malex. What is your channel again?
Malex FPV.
Oh, hi, Malex FPV.
Yeah. Alright, well, check out this Billy.
Hello.
Billy just leaning against the tree.
The new position.
Billy resting on the tree. Rocking the new DJI. Oh yeah, DJI with the iFlight patch. Sick. Ryan, where's your DJI?
Oh yeah, my DJI is in
Yeah, take it out and show us.
Okay. Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah, so this is the new DJI V2.
Yeah. Check it out. We both have the DJI. Yet is also DJI. Whoa, handsome. Wow,
Mr. Smart Mamat lah.
Mr. Smart. Wow, this one not FPV. This one, 老板 this one. Wow. Wow, check out what he is doing.
Yeah, bro, so amazing, yeah, you know. What the fish, man? So nice.
Who flying?
Yeah,
That also can lah.
yeah, flying upside down.
Seriously ah?
Yeah.
I thought he just want to post there, then somebody turn around him ah. I orbit around him.
He orbit himself. Power.
Steady. Flying upside down.
I've broken 2 immortalities today, and I think we will just call it a day. So my first initial thoughts flying kiss is quite smooth out of the box, and I really like the way it feels because the rates I've been practicing it with kiss rates on beta flight, so it feels like almost the same. So but the only thing I don't like about the DJI V2, no, DJI goggles in general, is there's a little bit of latency. So like for example, when you descend from the like a power loop or something, then when you need to throttle up, you can feel the latency. it's not like as sharp response as when I used to fly analog. So that's about it, guys, and see you next time. Peace. DJI.
Open the box, Ian. People know you carry empty box.
It's fine, yeah.
Well, actually, he just take my empty box.
That's inside the box, Ian.